thrilled to start learning Chinese with you today. This is Beginner's Day 1, and we are going to embark on this exciting journey together, step by step. Don't worry if you've never learned Chinese before. We'll break everything down into manageable pieces, making sure you understand each concept before moving on. Today, our focus is on the fundamental building blocks, greetings, tones, and some simple, yet essential, phrases that will get you started on the right foot. Let's dive right in without further delay. First things first, greetings. The cornerstone of any conversation. In Chinese, you'll use ni hao to mean how to say hello. This is the most common way to greet someone. Repeat after me, ni hao. Great job. Now, if you want to be more polite or formal, perhaps when addressing someone older or in a professional setting, you can say nin hao, nin hao. Notice the difference in pronunciation in the character used. Nin is a more respectful and courteous form. Try it nin hao. Excellent. Next, let's delve into the fascinating world of tones. Chinese is a tonal language, which is one of its defining characteristics. This means the pitch of your voice. The way your voice rises and falls can completely change the meaning of a word. There are 4 main tones and a neutral tone, which is often very subtle. It might seem a little tricky or even daunting at first. But trust me, with consistent practice, you'll get the hang of it. It's all about training your ear and your voice. Let's use the syllable ma as a simple yet effective example. The first tone is high and flat ma ma, which means mother. Try to imagine a flat line when you say it. The second tone goes up ma ma, which can mean and your voice should rise. The third tone dips down and then up, ma ma, which means horse, and your voice should dip and then rise again. The fourth tone goes down sharply, ma ma, which means to scold, with your voice falling quickly. And finally, the neutral tone is light and quick ma ma, used in questions. Practice these with me. Remember, even native speakers make mistakes. So don't feel pressured. This will take time and dedication to master, but it's a crucial part of your Chinese language journey. Now, let's learn some useful and practical phrases that you can immediately use. We'll start with xie xie, which means thank you. It's important to show gratitude. Say it with me, xie xie. Good. Next, we have lu kei chi, which means you're welcome. This is how you respond when someone says thank you to you. Try saying it lu kei chi. Perfect. Let's try zai jian, which means goodbye. This is a great one to know at the end of your lessons. Repeat zai jian. Great job. You're doing fantastic. Here's a quick recap. Ni hao hello. Nin hao formal hello. Xie xie thank you. Lu kei chi you're welcome. And zai jian goodbye. Practice these phrases daily. Try to use them in your daily life, even if you're just talking to yourself. And don't be afraid to make mistakes. They are an integral part of the learning process. So embrace them. Every error is a step closer to fluency. Finally, remember the importance of the tones. The best way to truly learn and improve is to immerse yourself in the language. Listen to Chinese music, watch Chinese movies and TV shows with subtitles at first, and, most importantly, try to speak as much as you possibly can. Don't be afraid to record yourself, and listen back to identify areas for improvement. That's all for today's lesson. I truly hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful. Jiayu, which means add oil, is an expression of encouragement and support. Use it often. See you next time, and keep up the great work.